I'll be showing you how to, well, first it's me, the creator of Dynamic Stuffing. I'll be showing you how a, don't know what it's called. What's it called again? Let me just look. A, something camera. So, yeah. So, this is the, screen. Obviously. The screen. So, yeah. The screen. Let's read from the top. So, hold on, let's see. It says ISO 400/27. So photos with flash. For in-do pictures, use flash for 3 to 10 feet away. Turn the advanced wheel until it stops. Switch on flash and wait for the flash ready light to illuminate. Steady camera and push shutter release. Be sure to switch flash off after taking a photo or when the camera is not in use. Photos without flash. Let's see, guys. For pictures outdoors in sunny or partly cloudy weather, turn the advanced wheel until it stops. Stand at least 3 feet from subject. Steady camera. Hold on. What does it say? Oh yeah, steady camera and press shutter. Is it shutter release? Yeah, to achieve best results, take pictures with the sun behind you. Advanced wheel. This is the advanced wheel, guys. As you can see, advanced wheel. This is the viewfinder. Yeah. Flash ready light. Remaining pictures. And shutter release. Is there anything on the front? Oh yes, on, flash, off. Wait, off, flash, on. So, this doesn't work at the minute, guys. Look. Because I've already used it. So yeah, if you did enjoy that video, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications if you haven't. And if you do all of that, I'll comment and add you to the Dynamic Stuffing crew. Bye!